Hey, how's it going? Today, you and I are going to be using a Typhur Sync oven to make some really great French toast. But while we're at it, we're going to try to eliminate as much sugar as possible without it tasting like garbage. So you ready? Let's get into this. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need sliced brioche, some large eggs, regular milk, some unsalted butter, sugar-free maple syrup, allulose powder, a little bit of salt, some granulated monk fruit sweetener, cinnamon, vanilla extract, sliced fresh strawberries, and some blueberries. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, making French toast is super simple. Basically, we're gonna make a mix in here, coat our bread in it, and then bake it. Ta-da! Finished. So we're gonna throw in our eggs, our milk, our monk fruit sweetener, the salt, the cinnamon, and our vanilla extract. Now all we gotta do is take a whisk and mix this up really good. If you get anything on the sides of your bowl here, be sure to incorporate that back in here. You don't really need to go crazy on this, you just need to make sure this is mixed really well. And the last thing to incorporate into this is probably going to be that cinnamon. And once it gets done, it's going to look a lot like this. You're still going to see a lot of that cinnamon floating around, that's okay. We're not going to be able to get it completely mixed in anyway. Next, we can fire up the oven. And I'm going to take out my roasting pan, because this is what we're going to cook our French toast on right here. Switch this to bake. Be sure that the preheat is turned on. We're gonna set the oven temperature to 350 degrees and the timer down to 10 minutes. You might notice that this does have a toast function on it. We're not using that for this particular recipe, even though we are making French toast. That toast function is more for dry bread. Bake comes out a lot better for something like this. Once we're all set, we can turn this on and start preheating. And while that's preheating, we can get our bread ready. So we've got our roasting pan right here. We're gonna line this with some parchment paper. And we're gonna take our pieces of bread one by one, soak them in here really good, and then stick them on here. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you wanna learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, once that preheat's done, we can open this up, put our stuff in here on the second level, and we'll shut this up. Now, all we gotta do is wait. Okay, once that's finished, we can take out our French toast. Keep in mind that the type of bread you use is going to determine how long this bake takes. It can be anywhere between 10 minutes and 13 or 14 minutes, just depending. If you're in doubt, set it for longer and just keep an eye on your bread. Anyway, we'll open this up, take this out. Remember to use an oven mitt because this thing is going to be super hot, and that's looking like some pretty good French toast. Let's plate this up. That French toast came out exactly the way I wanted it to. It's light, it's fluffy, we got rid of a lot of the calories, but most importantly, it still tastes great. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Typhur Sync Oven that I used to make this French toast, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video and you're not a big French toast person, I do have a cool playlist right here that has all of the different recipes I've done for different types of breakfast food. If you check that out, I bet you're gonna find something that you really wanna make. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.